And, you know, for all of us out there in build land, you know, for all of us that do build our cars and do take the time to go ahead and, you know, slave away in the garage and whatnot, you know, there's one of the things that's the most annoying part that we're going to make a video on and we're going to show you is these parts. This is the biggest part that holds us all back in every build. Now, it may be that we're trying to do something that doesn't exist. It may be that we're trying to create something that no one's ever seen. I get it. I get it that we may have to customize some things, but when we're putting on the stock stuff or anything else that may relate to the same year or correlation, like for example, our good friends at LMR, we don't mean to badmouth, we don't mean to bash. I'm pretty sure there's somebody out there trying to do their job as best they can. But, you know, sometimes, you know, let's kick it up a notch, man. I'm not saying trying, you know, let me explain it to you the simplest way. So we have our condenser here for our Coyote build. Okay, pretty simple. This belongs to a 93 Mustang. It's the original stock condenser, but it's new. We got it from our friends over at AutoZone. Actually, this was bought over in eBay, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So along with that, we had to go get our whole new kit, and LMR has the whole kit right here that you buy along for $79. Awesome, great. You know, it just gets everything. You get 4 of these guys, right? And you get the 4 bolts. But the problem here being that to start it off, I noticed that one of these clips was a different size. And then as we go ahead and we build on and I find the one that I need because I have extras, because you should always have extras when it comes down to buying kits. So once we all go ahead and starting to install, we get into whatever is the kit and we get, you know, of course, the screws that you think are going to go with the kit that you just ordered for $79. Yeah. Oh, better yet. Awesome. So I'm not trying to get anyone fired by any means necessary. I'm just saying, can we check on these people's work, please? Because
quality control.
Can we get some quality control from anyone over there at LMR, please? Because now I'm gonna go ahead and dig around with whatever I got to make this work.
And then
so
you pay for
let's.
something that you're not getting because you didn't get what you paid for.
We didn't get anything that we paid for. We just, you know. So we got something of what we paid for. We just now gonna have to stop. I'm gonna go ahead and dig around for screws that fit like little, you know, C-clips here, and so this is what we talk about in the frustration level that grows with trying to build your car when there's no quality control at the other end of things. And again, we're gonna make a video on that soon, so just stick with us, guys. We're still gonna finish this up. We just finished up the gas tank, so that guy's ready to rock and roll. We're gonna put our ascending unit in and our fuel pressure. We're gonna make our line, and right now we're just working on getting the dry fit on everything for the AC system because that's very important. So guys, stick around.